channel. This is Key. So a few nights ago I got a chance to go to my first drift night event, and these are kind of events that I've seen on TVs, on YouTube, but never been at the event in person. And I didn't just go to watch, I actually got to drive for a little bit. And the event started from 6 o'clock all the way to 3 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't get home till like 5 o'clock, which is like, that's not me. Usually I go to bed by like midnight at the latest. And there was so many different types of people, different types of cars. They got Beamers, Toyotas, Nissans, all kinds of cars, and it's like straight out from Fast and Furious movie. And they have like these super fast drones that just follow you and like going in and out, and it was incredible. I didn't get to drive a lot. There was a bunch of people, and but at the end I got to drive more and more. There were a few crashes, and sadly I was one of those people who crashed and I fucked some shit up, okay? So I'll show you guys my crash video in a moment. But as many of you guys know that I'm known as a biker girl. You know, I started riding in LA back in 2009, and I started doing track in 2012. I started training more religiously starting late 2016, and I started racing motorcycles last year, which is 2019. And I would say that, you know, I was pretty successful at it. I won 2 championships. For those that follow me closely, I would say that I was going to win 3, but my bike decided to take a shit. The last day the clutch went out. I just had to pull out of the race. And many of you might wonder, you know, what my plan is with the whole bike thing and what my plan is with this car thing. And my goal is to actually get a racing license for car and as well as a drifting license. And I don't want to do this just for fun. I really want to put in a lot of effort into it, a lot of time. I want to, you know, do a lot of training. As recently, I've trained with fast sideways on how to, you know, counter steer, control the car, how to save a slide, you know, what to do, and those fundamentals really help me out when I get to drift on the actual track. And I would say it's not an easy thing to do. It might look easy on TV and on cameras and things like that, but in person, doing what you want the car to do is really, really hard. And now you don't have just 2 wheels, you have 4 wheels. And you know, it was not easy for me to get better as a rider. It took a lot of effort from my side, and it's not up until when I got together with my coaches, Jason Pritmore and Caroline Olsen from JP43 Training, that I became a much better and a much faster rider. So I would say to be successful in anything, any sports, any hobby, is what you put in your head and what you don't put in your head as well. You have to tune out all the negativity, all the hate, all the self-doubts, and all the shit that people are saying about you. You just gotta stay focused. And the second most important thing is who you are training with. And having the right coach, the right mentor will really help you out a lot. And that's how I was able to get so good at riding. Is a lot of it has to do with the people that I surrounded myself with, and who I'm taking, you know, instruction from. And I want to apply the same fundamentals with driving.
All the way in, floor it, direct, recover, just jump ahead, floor it, direct, recover.
So yeah, this is just the beginning. So let me show you the helmet that I broke. So I hit the tire wall, okay? It's the first time I hit it. Nothing happened, we just kept driving.
Go left and clutch kick. Clutch kick, there it is. Nice, woo, whoa, whoa, whoa. Too much, you're good, go, go, go. Oh, you killed it. Let him pass. Start the car.
And the second time, I hit the curb by going off the track.
That was good, yeah.
popped hard enough, it broke my helmet. So the visor popped out. This is not a car helmet, by the way, so don't tell anybody. Special shout out to AGV. I've been using AGV for many years and protects my head. Thank you. And yeah, so here we go. Let's go look at the car. It's not pretty right now, but it's fixable. So this is what she looks like now. I scratched the whole side of the car. Bent the wheel. Scratched the front. And the airbag popped out. Yep.
So this is what happens when Kirati Racing drifts cars.
Yeah. The airbag popped out.
Oh no. Look at wheels.
Is it
Bent.
oh, shit. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I know this video is a little bit different from everything I've done. I'm still trying to get used to talking to the camera, so hopefully it didn't do too bad. But make sure to subscribe. I'm probably gonna break more shit, part of learning, and see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.